I am so much like you, often overlooked. And quite frankly, I don't think anyone expects much from me because I'm really tiny, as in literally just a speck in the universe. But it never bothered me. You know why? Because just like everyone, I have potential for great success. I got big hopes inside of me. I'm sure you do too. I know you want to fly off and see the world, or spoil your kids with the best toys and send them to the best schools. Maybe own a house that's so big and beautiful and really, really warm and cozy, complete with a spacious garden and a pool for the kids. The seeds of the future begin with dreams. So, just dream your dreams no matter how impossible it seems, because you know what? The wind is listening. And one day we'll carry your dreams and take them to places where they can take root, come to life, and grow. Guess what? Giants start out small, just like you and me. And today is your time to make it big. The wind has heard you and is now ready to take your dreams to flight. Will you heed its call to take over the world? Say, I will. Here's how. iFern is a company whose vision is to spread the seeds for global prosperity. We create opportunities for everyone, especially those who start small but dream big, by allowing them to be part of a global business with world-class products. That way, we transform ordinary people and turn them into global ferntrepreneurs. As we see their lives transformed, we enjoin everyone to pay this gift forward. Call us dreamers, but we do believe that prosperity can branch out from one individual to another, from one culture to another, until the phenomenon spreads worldwide. I'll let you in on another fact. Just like you, we cannot grow on our own. We thrive on a secret bond of love. Our lives are defined by the way we reach out to one another, and on how we share the beauty and bounty of this world. Start your journey now towards shared prosperity. Log on to www.ifern.com and let's start planting seeds for our future. I dream. I prosper. iFern.